All right, it's Wednesday, October 29th. I'm buying some Netflix 1125 puts here at 2605. This is here on the kind of failure here, taking out bar number one high and then the red bar forming here. So we've kind of today we're below the midpoint of the prior day. We had a little push up yesterday for a moment, but we're going sideways after kind of a big move down here that's kind of pausing a little bit. So I think it looks like there's another push to those lows if the market weakens a little bit, and this is kind of a failure. You know, took out the pre-market highs of liquidity, failure to move up, and then immediately came back to the midpoint of the first bar. So I'll see if we take out the lows of the day, and if we can get through there, then we can get a 2 down day and start heading to this pivot low down here kind of below the 1088 area. So just kind of going with opening price action, failing to go to the upside, coming back through the midpoint of that bar red, with a market that's overall at exhaustion risk. And you know, this one had a bit of a gap down after earnings, trying to kind of pause a little bit, but it looks like it can make another push lower in the bigger picture here. If we kind of spread it out, you can kind of see the daily chart, you know, down, 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 and having a hard time kind of rallying. So there's still room to, you know, there's still targets below into this gap down here if it wants to head lower. And then opening price action, like I said, failing here on this opening move higher. Looks like it wants to, at a minimum, take out some liquidity the downside and maybe go, you know, back below 1100 here.